How to change controls on Minecraft Mobile. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change controls on Minecraft Mobile. First, you must have the latest version of the preview, which is 1.20.40.20 as of now. To get preview access, join the beta program of the game from either the Google Play Store for Android or the TestFlight app for iOS. In this version, Mojang has secretly sneaked in the touch customization option. However, to obtain it right now, you must go to the game's directory on the device and edit a certain line in the text file. First, download both the Stable Pocket Edition and Preview Edition, along with a good File Explorer and a text editor application. Then head to the File Explorer and open these folders one by one. Android/datacom.mojang.minecraft.pe/files/games/Minecraft. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.